Good afternoon mga kanayon, good evening, good morning, anywhere in the world. Ito naman po ang aking job ngayon. This is my job now. My task to do is to is to shovel the driveway. You see how much snow I have? It's okay right now, it's not too much, but sooner or later it will be. So I better get to work. I have to get the snow shovel. Got it, mga kanayon. Better start now. You know what? I'll bring you with me. How do I look like? I look like freaking, I don't know. I'll bring you anyways. So, this is how I do it. It's a little bit slushy. My car is over there. And hello, how are you?
Good.
Like snow?
Yeah.
That's good. This is my daughter's car. Yeah, because I lost a bet with her, and then I had to trade my my Odyssey, my Honda Odyssey. So yeah, I lost the bet. She got the her license in one shot, so that's what happened. I had to trade my old Odyssey and then trade it with that Honda hybrid CRV. I end up with the Civic, my 2013 Civic, and it's still good. By the way, I don't have a problem with it. I just changed the I went to the garage shop to change the I'm lost for words. What do you call that again? Oh, brake pads. Brake drum brake? Is that what you call it? Yeah. So yeah. Oh. This is winter for us. Well, it's just November and I don't know why. It's snow day now. Freaking heaviness. Snow. Yeah, because I'm using one hand. my roses in there. I put some snow on top of the rose. Nice. I'm a jack-o'-lantern anyways. My neighbors' kids, they're still little and they're doing the shoveling right now. It's freaking, at times when you're dragging this snow, it's heavy, man. That's why I have to do it now before it gets too heavy or very, very heavy to drag it. So yeah, that's my house behind me. Right there. Snow day. Can't stop the snow. Cold. Very cold. It's okay. I'm wearing my winter jacket now. Are you doing pancake there? This is not even winter months yet. I believe it's December 21st when they're gonna declare it's officially winter. So it's not even winter yet. And we're getting some. So yeah. Then after that, I'm gonna put my car here. It's done. Okay guys, I think I'm done here, so I'll see you guys later. I need to catch my breath. Cold. Look around. Bye guys, mga kanayan. See you guys later.